Hello, hello, check.
魔幻魔幻都魔幻，今年的姑娘更漂亮。遗忘遗忘都遗忘，去年的烦恼和姑娘。魔幻魔幻都魔幻，今年的姑娘更漂亮。遗忘遗忘都遗忘，去年的烦恼和姑娘。
Hello, hello, check, check, check.
魔幻魔幻都魔幻，今年的姑娘。遗忘遗忘都遗忘，去年的烦恼和姑娘。
So yes, we are live now. Oops, but this is day 5. And I have put in a wrong title. This is day 5. This is 5th January now. And no problem. Okay, so the zeal is on, and today we are on to another question, just that we are late, and but no worries, we'll cover up for that. I mean, we'll cover up for that tomorrow. It's not possible today. So what we are going to do is we'll be, so I've already selected this question. I like this question. I have not read this question, but I thought of doing this question today. Okay, so question number 2, and let's not delay. Let's just dive right into it. Quickly connect my writing pad. Ewang Tong Ewang. Okay, our target is to do the question in Arish. So our target is to do the question in, that's it. Okay, let's give ourselves a realistic target, 20 minutes. Okay. Max exponent. Okay, you are given a function max exponent and we are taking two integers. You have to find and return the number between a and b, range inclusive on both ends. Okay, which has the maximum exponent of 2. Maximum or exponent of 2, which has the maximum exponent of 2. The algorithm to find the number with the maximum exponent of 2 between the given range is loop between a b, letting the looping variable be I. Algorithm to find the number with the maximum exponent of 2 between the given range is loop between a and b. Okay, let the looping variable be I. Okay, find the exponent power, okay, of 2 for each. Okay, and store the number with max exponent of 2 so far, and in a variable. Okay, let's say max to I. Only if I has more exponent of 2 than max, return max. What is trying to say? 7 and Okay, so 7, 8, let's read the question. Look the number with a maximum exponent of 2 so far in a variable. Let's say max, set max to I only if I has more exponent of 2 than okay, assumption A is smaller than B. Okay, if two or more numbers in the range have the same exponent of 2, if two or more numbers have the same exponent of 2, what does it mean by saying two exponent of exponent? Two or number in the range have the same exponents of 2. Mhm. 7 there are 0 exponents of 2. 9 there are going to be 0 exponent. 9 is 8 is 2 raised to the power 3 is equals to 8. Okay. 10 is 2 raised to the power 10 has one exponent. 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power how, what is 10? How is 1 the answer? Okay, 2 की power 1. Okay, 2 की power 1 and then we multiply it by 5. Okay, and then 6 is 2 की power 6 is 4 into 3, so 4 is 2 and exponent is okay. Okay, so we have understood, but we might really need to think that how are we going to actually come to the solution, and it might take us long. And how much time are we left with? 15 minutes. So what it is essentially saying, we'll zoom out a bit and let's go through what it is saying. A and B are two number ranges. Let's say A is equal to, okay, let's take the example that is given, 7 and 12. And for 7 and 12, we have to see for every number that uh, exists between 7 inclusive both of these numbers A and B, that are 9, 10, 11, 12. 7 is, anyhow, are you having 2 in this? No. 7 times 1 is equals to 7. Okay. 8 is what? 2 into 2 into 2. Correct? This gives 2 3 as exponent, and this gives 0. Now, if you divide 9 by 2, first of all, it is not divisible. Secondly, what does it have? What is 9 made up of? It is uh, it is 3 into 3, or what it is. Please consider it, or I don't know any other way to write it. Okay, so 2 की power exponent is 0. Now what in 10? What is 10? 10 is 2 की power 1 into 5. That's what's left. So here exponent is 1. Okay, for 11, it's 11 into 1, and which gives 11. So the 2 की power, there is no 2 needed. Now here 2 are needed. Okay, so what is needed? So 4 into 3 is 12. We know this. So 2 into 2 into 3, and hence we have 2 as the answer, 1 and 2. Okay, now how do we do it? So can we assume the number needs to be divisible by 2? Is it the right assumption? Is it the right assumption? The number needs to be a multiple of 2 somehow, anyhow. So anyhow, if yes, it needs to be first of all divisible by 2. And if it is divisible by 2, if it's a, yeah, so it has to be an even number. Yes, it has to be an even number. Yes, so if it is an even number, it is always an even number. Yes, so twice when 2 comes in any table, then it becomes then the quantity becomes even. That's correct, and the number needs to be even. Okay, first fact is check check even. Okay, then if it is even, then divided by 2. What do we do? If it's even, then divided by 2. Then we have 4. Then we have, oh, then we have 2, and then we divide 2. Okay, please, as it's not equal. Okay, and then we have 1. Okay, till the number is greater than 1. Correct. Till the number is greater than 1. Out of nowhere, I was trying. If I can make a circle. 10 minutes left. Okay. Now, okay, so what are we checking basically? What about 10? So, what about 5? So, basically, how many 2s are needed to make this number? The number of 2s needed to make up the number. This is what the question is asking. Okay. The number of 2s needed to make. Till the number remains even. Correct? Is it the right assumption? Yes. Till we have to divide to add the number till the number remains even. If the number has become odd, then we cannot further divide it. Okay, so we won't be having 2s. Correct? Yes, yes, yes. Correct? Yes. So in case of 14, yes, we have 2 into 7. So we have 1 2. Okay, so once it has reached 7, it cannot be divided. So we'll divide until the number is okay. I've got the solution. Okay, so we'll keep on dividing the number until we get a odd quantity. Once we get an odd quantity, once we get a odd quantity, we stop. Okay, odd then stop. Okay, keep on dividing until the number is even. Okay, if the number is even, okay, only keep on dividing if the number is even, and then we'll store and then we'll compare. That's correct. I think we can code for it. Yes, coding would be a hard part. Okay, I need to make my voice deeper. My voice is too shrill. Let me see. How am I sounding now? Okay. Okay, so what are we basically seeing? Max, what was the max exponent? What was the question? Max exponents. Ex- 7 and So do we have to return the number? Yep. Okay, so 20 minutes are over. Where we are still on. So the answer must be for this. Yes, how could I have expected? Nothing happens without. Yes, I know. I have done this. Now if we run it till 16, then the answer must be 16. So we have nailed the code in 23 minutes. Okay, congratulations. We have done our part for the day. If you have understood the question, well and good. If you haven't, please rewatch it. I won't be explaining. I mean, it's self-understood, y'all. I mean, what do I do if you don't get it? Can't help you. Iwang, Iwang, Dong, Iwang.
遗忘，遗忘，都遗忘，去年的烦恼和姑娘。莫慌，莫慌，都莫慌，今年的姑娘更漂亮。遗忘，遗忘，都遗忘，去年的烦恼和姑娘。